This is how to create a task work order, meaning that the task includes a service or maintenance checklist. So firstly, log into your account, go to the plant tab on the left side. You will see your plant in each of its rows. Let's go to the articulated dump truck, the ADT here, as an example. Click on that. This will open to the overview page. Beside general details, you're going to see your 3 dots submenu. Click on that. Let's create a task here. Now, very important at the top, do you want to attach a service checklist to this task? The answer is yes. Which service would you like to attach? Now, we're going to see a drop-down menu because we've already loaded all these different services checklists into the PlantGuard for you. For this case, let's go to the ADT 25750 hour service. When chosen, that will create the task name. Any task notes or extra comments, please put in here. For example, scroll down, you can choose an image if you wish, and does this task have a due date? The answer is yes in this case, and then just click your cursor in there. It'll ask what date, press OK, and then submit. Now what you've done there is just created a task. So down the left side here, go back to tasks, and you'll see the task work order that we've just created. Click on that row, and this is going to open that task up. There are a number of things that you can do here. Up top, you can assign users. So if this is assigned to a particular maintenance technician and they are registered in PlantGuard as a user, you can click on here and you will start to see all the people that are registered as users in the system. You can choose them, and when they open this up, they will see it in their My Task folder. Now with the task work order in itself, if you scroll down, you can add expenses. So once the maintenance checklist or service checklist has been done, you can go back and add any expenses that were associated with that service, and that'll get recorded against that piece of plant. The service itself, this is something that you'll do last before you close this work order or task work order out. I'll get back to what you can do there. Also subtasks, these are the extra things that need to be done to that piece of plant while it is being serviced. You can add those very quickly here. For example, wash windscreens, submit, and what that does is just creates a little tick box that the service technicians can tick off very quickly. Now very important with the service itself, once you've got the results from the technician that the service and maintenance checklist was completed, you can come back here and log that service in the system, or initially you might want to just get a printable version of this work order that you'd like to give to the technician, and from this you'll start to see information, the assets information, the plant identifier, the task detail, the job description, which was the 25750 hour service. We can build in instructions and safety notes in the actual initial service, and then you'll see the dates created. And if you scroll down, this is where the maintenance technicians can tick off each piece of the service that it's completed. And if you want to print a copy, you click on here and obviously print it out and give to the service technicians. Let's just cancel that. If we go back, so what you really want to do is keep this task work order open until the service is completed. You go back, you add your expenses, and then you can actually also log that service from here. And once that's done, everything's ticked off. You just scroll down the bottom here, and then you can just complete the task, and that will then populate the fact that a service has been done and the task or work order is complete. Thank you.